Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss what to do when your check bounce. Check bounce is something that all of us will have faced in our lives. However, did you know that the person who had issued the check can go to prison for the same? The dishonor of a check drawn in furtherance of discharging any debt or other liability owned by such drawer is considered to be a criminal offense in India, punishable by imprisonment of up to 2 years or with fine which may extend to twice the amount of check or with both. Hence, we have discussed below the legal provision dealing with issue of check bounce. What does the law says? As it stands, the ingredient required to constitute an offence relating to the dishonor of check have been mentioned within section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 and have been reproduced. The check should have been issued in discharge of a legal enforceable debt or liability. The check should have been presented within the period of its validity. The check should have been dishonor or for want of funds in the account of the drawer. The payer or holder or of the check should have issued within 30 days a notice in writing to the drawer demanding the amount of check. The drawer must have filed to make payment within 15 days of receipt of the notice. The intention of the drawer is not considered relevant while deciding his culpability under the section. Furthermore, it is worth noting that section 141 of the Negotiable Instrument Act also render liable companies, partnership firm and other association of individual liable for the offence mentioned in section 138. Typically, the person in charge of the company, usually director or partners as the case may be, are held liable for punishment under the same. They may claim defense on the grounds that the offense was committed without their knowledge or that they had exercised all due diligence to prevent the commission of such offense. The court trying a case under section 138 may order for interim compensation not exceeding 20% of the amount of the check to the payee during the pendency of the case. Filing a complaint for check bounce. If you have been presented with a check with which get dishonor, you can take the action, send a notice to the drawer of the check. If the drawer of the check does not honor the checkee within 15 days of the receipt of the notice, then file a complaint before the pre-subscribed courts. Submit documents such as oath letter, copy of the notice served along with the complaint. Preferable approach a lawyer to contest your case. What happen if your check bounce? Once your check bounce, you will be served with a notice to make the payment within 15 days of such notice. If you fail to do so, a complaint against you may be filed. You will be summoned to the court and the court proceeding will commence. It is advisable to take legal help in such circumstances. Thank you.